Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's weekly Cosmic Dive. I'm Shane Smith, astrologer. So happy you're here with me. What a way to start the week, talking about what's happening in the cosmos and how it can affect us and how we can align with it. And we've got some news today. Oh, my goodness. Let's get into it, all right? Without further ado. Oh, my gosh. We just love doing this. Um, It is a wonderful 10-minute guide through the week ahead using vibrational astrology, and exciting developing in evidence-based astrology. There's research going on that shows that this stuff works. Out of the many possible vibrational planetary combinations, I'll highlight the key vibrations that strengthen our alignment with the natural rhythm and wisdom of the cosmos. And we ask that question, which frequencies do I choose to frequent? We can hang out wherever we want to. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick apart the patterns in the sky according to the vibrations that they're operating in. And I'm going to give you a guide as to how you can align with the energies of those particular patterns to make it even more fruitful for you throughout the coming week. Okay, this is for the week of June 15th through the 22nd, and there's Stonehenge. And guess what? We'll be talking about the summer solstice. Has anyone been to Stonehenge? Wow, what a mysterious, mystic, just a very, inspiring place. I'd love to go back again sometime. Anyway, here we go. Here we go. The vibrational aspects and alignments for this week. We can see that we're coming off restless and progressive energy. It was pretty high yesterday. I don't know if you felt it. And then we're going to be going through the week looking at some of these lines. These lines represent peaks in the vibrational patterns that we're talking about. And each vibrational pattern has a couple of meanings. Number one, the vibration itself has a meaning. So, for example, you see today there's like a peak in the green line, which is smooth and harmonious. That's vibration 9 and all its harmonics above it. And that means something. That means smooth and harmonious. It means peaceful. And then we have planets that operate within that particular vibration. And I put those together and we make some sort of a cocktail out of it all so that you can be better aligned with what's happening. All right. So I'm going to summarize this week first, and then we're going to delve into the week. Okay. So, this week is a journey of expansion, inspiration, and purposeful growth. Opportunities arise through relationships, influential encounters, creative expression, and the willingness to explore new perspectives. While the middle of the week emphasizes services, learning, and focused achievement, the weekend invites deeper emotional awareness and imaginative vision. Overall, the energy favors breaking out of old patterns, pursuing meaningful goals, and aligning personal ambition with a broader sense of purpose and contribution. Okay, I talked about that green line today. So Monday, June 15th. We've got a 4-planet combination going on actually in vibration 11 that's just as I mentioned is beginning to wither away. 4 planets is pretty heavy. That's why maybe Sunday yesterday you felt like, ooh, something was going on there. Anyway, there are other things going on. As I mentioned, we've got harmonic 6, which is actually a part of the vibration 9. We've got harmonic 15, that blue line happening as well. So I'm going to put them together for you, and we'll see what today brings. A spirit of exploration and possibility opens the week, encouraging to push beyond familiar boundaries and discover new opportunities through people, ideas, and experiences. Relationships, creativity, and intellectual pursuits all benefit from a balanced combination of enthusiasm, clarity, and thoughtful understanding. Tomorrow, we're going to carry over a little bit of some of that vibration that we had today. Notice the green line again, the smooth and harmonious line that carries the energy of Venus, Uranus, and Neptune. But this time on Tuesday, it will be joined by Pluto in harmonic six. Okay. So this means, along with harmonic 28 that's happening, the focus shifts toward inspiration, cooperation, and higher purpose, making it an excellent day for creative projects, meaningful connections, and visionary thinking. Artistic and literary talents, and strengthened by a powerful desire to refine, improve, and achieve excellence. Wednesday, we see a peak in the stillness, inner wisdom, and focus line. That's the energy of seven. And we also have some 11 vibe going on in there. So let's break that down for Wednesday. Passion, optimism, and a desire to contribute to something larger than yourself create a highly energized atmosphere. Curiosity, adaptability, and mental agility support both personal growth and practical success, making Wednesday a day for learning, innovation, and forward momentum. As we move on to Thursday, we notice a peak in the excellence and transformation line and also a restless and progressive energy going on. So let's see what's going on there. Simplicity, service, and authentic contribution become guiding themes for Thursday, encouraging you to invest your energy where it can make a meaningful difference. Independent thinking is especially valuable now, though restlessness may push you to seek greater freedom and creative autonomy. Friday, we see a rise in the flowing and creative, which is the vibration five energy line. So, Friday, let's see what's going on. We have a bunch of configurations happening with Sun and Pluto in them. And so, when we talk about Sun and Pluto, we're talking about deep and transformative energies. So, Friday is a deep focus and penetrating insight that will help reveal truths and patterns that may otherwise remain hidden. Creative expression flows naturally, while influential connections and unexpected opportunities can open doors to exciting new possibilities. If you're looking for an exciting new possibility on Friday, I invite you to come and visit Niwot, Colorado in the evening, because my band, the Boot Squad, it's a rock and roll band. We're going to be playing songs from Linda Ronstadt, Tom Petty, Fleetwood Mac, the Beatles, and more. And if you want to have a good time, come on and see us. That's Friday night, 7 to 9 p.m. at the Wheelhouse in Niwot. It's on the main street, right a little bit down from the railroad tracks. So come and enjoy some fun with us. Saturday, we see the blue line diminishing. We do have a restless and progressive energy that's popping up there. Relationships may require extra patience as conflicting desires for closeness and freedom surface simultaneously. Imagination and vision are heightened, making this a powerful day for dreaming and creativity, while also calling for emotional balance and careful self care. Sunday, here we go. We're going to talk about the summer solstice, but first, I'm going to explain what that excellence and transformation line means. This week concludes on an upbeat and expansive note, encouraging you to surround yourself with stimulating people and uplifting experiences. Opportunities continue to emerge through influential connections, while spontaneity and adaptability help you make the most of what appears. Okay, the summer solstice. We all love that. And it begins at 2:24 a.m. that Sunday morning as the sun moves into Cancer, a cardinal sign. And the spotlight, which is the sun is our spotlight, right? Is on our cosmic egg because it's in Cancer of close personal and emotional attachments. So for the next month, nurture and enjoy family, close friends, neighborhood, and groups. Heart is where the home is where the heart is. But more than that, I took a little analysis peek at what's happening with the summer solstice at that exact time and all the configurations that are happening with it. And I'll give you a little piece of a preview of coming attractions, I should say, that will ride us into the autumn equinox. Okay, so this is what the summer solstice means in a nutshell. The recurring themes throughout the summer solstice are creativity, inspiration, depth of thought, disciplined mastery, service to others, and passionate engagement with life. This period combines imagination with practical problem solving, seeking meaning beneath the surface while excelling at complex challenges and creative expression. It's going to be a doozy, a good doozy. We like good doozies. Okay. Our mantra for the week, if we were to have one, would be I welcome new possibilities with courage, focus my gifts on what truly matters, and trust that each meaningful connection guides me toward my highest path. And we'll leave you with the question, which frequencies do I choose to frequent? And I hope they're good ones. And I'll meet you there. And hopefully, we'll see you Friday night for some fun. All right. Take care, my friends, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.